What if you could give an AI a simple business idea and have it turn that idea into an entire visual brand? That's exactly what we're going to test today with Lovart AI. Lovart is an AI design agent built to handle the creative process, from developing a brand identity and generating visual assets to creating marketing content, social media designs, and even videos, all while keeping your visual style consistent. So instead of just testing one AI image generator, we're going to put Lovart through an entire creative workflow and see how much of the process it can actually handle for us. Let's jump in and see what Lovart can do. So guys, here we are on the official Lovart AI website. Unlike traditional AI image generators, Lovart works as a complete AI design agent. Instead of creating just a single image, it helps you build entire creative projects, from branding and marketing assets to product designs, all from a simple prompt. One of its biggest strengths is that it thinks in systems, keeping your colors, layouts, and overall visual style consistent across every asset it generates. You also get powerful editing features like Touch Edit, which lets you modify specific parts of a design without regenerating everything, along with text editing and AI-powered design references to speed up your workflow. Now, to get started, simply open the first link in the description below and create your free Lovart account. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. As I mentioned earlier, Lovart is an all-in-one AI design platform. From here, you can generate stunning images, create complete brand identities, design marketing materials, product mockups, and e-commerce assets, and even generate AI videos, all from a single workspace. Everything you need for your creative workflow is available right here. At the bottom of the page, you'll find projects created by other Lovart users. This is a great place to explore what's possible with the platform, get inspired by the community, and see the quality of work that people are creating. Now, if you're starting completely from scratch and don't have an existing brand or any assets, you can start with just a single prompt and let Lovart build everything for you. For example, I'm going to create Volt X, a futuristic premium energy drink targeting gamers, athletes, and young professionals. So I'll simply enter a prompt describing the product, target audience, brand personality, and visual direction. With just this one prompt, Lovart can generate the branding and marketing assets around the concept. If needed, you can also upload reference files or enable web search to give the agent more context. You can then choose from different AI models for different tasks, but I'll leave it on auto so Lovart can select the most suitable model for each part of the workflow. Once everything is ready, I'll just hit send and let Lovart start building the brand. Now we're inside Lovart's infinite canvas, and this is where the real magic happens. This workspace gives you complete freedom to organize your project. You can add images, videos, reference files, generated assets, and your entire brand kit all in one place while working with the AI. For now, let's give Lovart a few moments to generate the designs from our prompt, and then we'll go through everything it created and explore all the editing features step by step. And as you can see, with agent batch generation, Lovart can create multiple marketing assets at once while keeping the branding consistent across the entire project. Everything is organized on this infinite canvas, so you can freely rearrange, edit, and refine your designs in one place. You can experiment with different brand concepts, explore color variations, and preview how your product could look before it's even launched. Here, Lovart has generated a complete set of branding assets, including logos, packaging, cover designs, social media posts, and more. Everything looks incredibly professional. If you want to make changes, simply select any asset on the canvas and you'll get a full set of editing tools. You can quickly edit, upscale, remove backgrounds, erase elements, edit text, create multi-angle views, and much more. You can also download any of the assets you generate. Now, let's try Quick Edit. Once selected, you can simply describe the changes you want to make, and Lovart will apply them to the image. You can even hold the Control key and select specific elements to target only certain parts of the design. Or if you want to change the text, simply select Edit Text. Lovart will identify all the text elements in the image, allowing you to update exactly what you need. Once you're done, it generates an updated version with your new text. So whether you want to make a quick adjustment or completely refine a design, you can do it all directly from the canvas. You can also edit your assets using simple prompts. Just select an image and describe the changes you want to make. For example, I'll ask Lovart to create a light theme for this design. And there in a few moments, we have a completely different look while keeping the original design consistent. But what if you want to change the camera angle or perspective? That's where the multi-angle feature comes in. It lets you adjust the viewing angle, tilt, and scale of your design to create completely new perspectives. And these are just a few of the editing options available inside Lovart's canvas. With all the other tools available here, you have full control over your assets and can refine almost every part of your creative workflow in one place. Okay, next, I want to create some product and lifestyle images featuring VoltX and its target audience, so I can use them across my social media platforms. I've already pasted my prompt, and if you want, you can also switch to a different AI model before running the task. Once everything is ready, just hit send and let Lovart do the work. And there we go. Within a minute, we have a whole collection of professional product and lifestyle shots, including fitness, gaming, urban, and social scenes, while keeping the VoltX branding and visual style consistent across all the images. Now, let's take it one step further and create a complete advertisement video. To generate a video, you can start with a simple prompt in agent mode. You can even ask Lovart to create multiple videos from a single prompt. But if you want more control, switch from agent to video mode. Here, you can add reference files like images, videos, or audio, and customize settings like the aspect ratio, duration, and resolution. You can also choose the AI model you prefer. Once everything looks good, just hit send and let Lovart generate the video. And there we go, the video is ready. Pretty impressive, right? So as you can see, Lovart can take your brand assets and turn them into professional marketing content with just a simple prompt. Now, before moving on to one of Lovart's most important features, I'm going to run one more task and ask the agent to create logo variations for my brand in 5 different color themes. And there we go. Looks great. Also, keep in mind that all the images and videos you generate here remain fully editable using Lovart's editing tools. You can even add annotations, arrows, and other assets directly to the canvas for quick revisions. All right, now it's time to move on to brand kits. From the left sidebar on the homepage, navigate to Brand Kits. A brand kit lets you keep all of your brand assets in one place, including your logos, colors, fonts, photos, and more. To create one, click Create a Brand Kit. From here, you can upload your logo, define your brand colors, add your fonts, and upload your brand photography. You can also add your design guidelines, explaining how your brand should look and feel across different platforms. Once everything is ready, simply click the Import button, and now Lovart analyzes all of our brand assets and automatically organizes them into a complete brand kit. As you can see, it includes our brand identity, color palette, logos, typography, and visual guidelines. Once everything is ready, simply click Create Project with this kit. Once the project is created, Lovart will automatically start a task to analyze and explore the assets in our brand kit so it can understand the brand and use those assets consistently throughout the project. For example, if I now ask the agent to create 5 different advertisement videos for this brand, Lovart can use everything inside our brand kit to generate the content while keeping the same logos, colors, typography, and overall visual style consistent. And that's really where brand kits become powerful. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can give Lovart a complete visual foundation and let it create new content around your existing brand. So, from creating your brand identity and marketing assets to editing designs, generating product images and videos, and keeping everything consistent with a brand kit, Lovart brings a lot of the creative workflow into one place. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this gave you a good idea of what Lovart can actually do and how you can use it to build and manage your brand with AI. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.